Hello everyone, welcome to another part in the archviz series. So in this step we will made two things. The first thing is the bookshelves. First thing is the bookshelf as you see here in this image and this image here. So we will combine between the 2D plan and the references to get the right divides and the right shape of this bookshelf. Then we will make also this cloth cabinet using the references and the 2D plan. So I will return to Blender. First of all, I will go to top view, then see this cloth back cabinet. So to model this, I need to enter to edit mode of the walls. Then I will want to select this edge and duplicate it, then separate it from the selection. So I can enter to this edit mode and extrude it to the right place. So I will select the separated parts and select the edge and extrude it in the y-axis like this. Then I need to go to the top view to verify if the edge is in the right place like this, for example. Then I need to extrude this face directly to the ceiling. So don't forget to apply or enable snap mode like this. So now we need to add some details like this. If you see here, there is details here. We need to make it this little or small ports or small doors for the cloth cabinet. So we need to make it. Now I need to divide this cabinet in more parts according to the 2D plan. So I need to add an edge loop here, then another edge loop here. So I forget to enable screencast key, so I will make the color black for better vision. So now I divide it vertically in the right way. So now I need to divide it in horizontal way. So I need to make this properly in this position like this, and I need to divide this part maybe like this, and it's done. So to do these details, I need to select all the concerned edges like this edge, this edge, and this edge, and this edge. So like this, I can do a bevel. So Control B and make it 0.003. Then I can extrude it to the inside like this with minus 0.02, for example. So when I have a bevel, I can get more details. So I finished with the cloth cabinet. Now I need to go to the bookshelf. First of all, I need to go to top view, for example, and select the walls, and I need to select this face and duplicate it as usual, then separate it from selection. Then I need to remove some vertices because I don't want to have problem in edge flows, because I need these bookshelves to be quads. As you see in the reference, you see here in the reference, all the cases in the bookshelf are quads. So I need it to be quads by having an edge flow. So for example, as you see here, if I need to add another edge loop or new edge loop, I can't, because there is some vertices who disturb or interrupt the edge flow. So I need to delete it. For example, like this edge, I need to dissolve it by Control X. So like this, I can extrude it according to the 2D plan like this to this limit. Then add an edge loop according to the 2D plan, like this, vertically. Then I need to add horizontal edge loops and stop when you see that you have rectangles like this. So if I see in the reference that I see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 parts, so I need to calculate here. Calculate in Blender 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I need to redo the edge loops. For example, here, Control Z, then 1, 2, 3, and done. This is the right way. Now I need to select all these faces here. So to do that, I select one of these faces, then I need to select all the similar faces. So click Shift G, then select all the faces who has the same normal. If you don't understand what is the normal is the direction of these faces. So all the faces who has the same direction with this face will be selected with the similar select, Shift G, and normal. So now I need to inset all these faces. As you see here, it's the same block, so I need to be individual. So click in I to make individual inset. So make it properly here, then extrude to inside all these faces like this. Go to top view and extrude it precisely like this, and it's done. Now we are done with the bookshelf and the cabinet. Now I need to give it a bevel to give it more realism. So I go to modifier, then add bevel to the book or the cloth cabinet like this, as you see. So I need to increase the segments to 3 to have smooth shading. Now I need to apply shade smooth, then apply auto smooth. So if you don't have this quick favorite, so you can go it manually. For example, select this object and go to object properties, for example, and go to normals, then enable the auto smooth. Also for shade smooth, click with the right mouse button and shade smooth. Also I need to hard this normals by going to the shading options in the bevel modifier, then click on harden normals. I will do the same thing here also. Don't forget to apply the scale. When, as you see here, when we apply the scale, nothing happened. So I need to delete some parts, for example these faces. I think I will have problems with it, so I need to delete it. I hate these problems, what the hell. So I need to keep it, so it doesn't make to me a problem, so I need to keep it. So now I need to go to this bookshelf and apply the scale, then apply a bevel and made it 0.03 like this, and apply shade smooth, then apply auto smooth. Here I need to change the shading, also change in the geometry, and then we make it patch. So like this, maybe 0.02. I think 0.02 is good. Then I will try with this, maybe 0.002. So nothing happens, so I will let it in this amount of bevel. So maybe I can change the patch. So for the patch, I think everything is done. So this is everything in this part. So see you in the next part. Salam.